Welcome to TMC virtual classes. Myself Gaurav Kumar Thakur. Today I will take Science and Technology Part 1, Chapter number 9, Carbon Compounds. So student, last class we discussed that why carbon is very important, why carbon is essential element present in everywhere, and their types, then bonding, covalent bond and ionic bond. So we discussed all these things in last class. So our topic for today's class is hydrocarbon. So student, what is hydrocarbon? Before going for this hydrocarbon compound, you already know that carbon is a type of element that can combine with other element also like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. But you can see in name also hydro and second is carbon. That is hydrocarbon. So it is a special type of organic compound which made up of only two elements, which contain only two elements. That is first one is hydro. Hydro means hydrogen, and second element is carbon. So आपको एक क्वेश्चन हमेशा आना चाहिए माइंड में, व्हाई वी हैव टू स्टडी ओनली वन कंपाउंड हाइड्रोकार्बन. यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कार्बन कैन कंबाइन विद अदर एलिमेंट ऑल्सो लाइक ऑक्सीजन, सल्फर एंड नाइट्रोजन, but in your syllabus it is given hydrocarbon. So maximum compound present in this earth, that is hydrocarbon. So hydrogen and carbon में से क्या friendship है, why hydrogen can combine with carbon only, we have to study that. You know that carbon and hydrogen, let's discuss, थोड़ा डिस्कस करते हैं. कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन हैविंग स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप. ये फ्रेंडशिप क्या है, इन योर रियल लाइफ ऑल्सो जो भी आपके फ्रेंड होते हैं, तो अगर आपका जो थिंकिंग, आपका अगर जो चॉइस है ना, आपका जिसमें इंटरेस्ट है अगर सेम हो, सिमिलर हो, सो दैट टाइम दे ऑलवेज क्या होते हैं, फ्रेंड्स होते हैं. सो यू कैन टेक एग्जांपल लाइक कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन. कार्बन कैन शेयर द इलेक्ट्रॉन. ऑलरेडी मैंने आपको लास्ट क्लास में बताया कार्बन कैन शेयर द इलेक्ट्रॉन. सिमिलरली हाइड्रोजन ऑल्सो कैन शेयर द इलेक्ट्रॉन. So carbon and hydrogen can share the electron and they having the same interest. So carbon and hydrogen. Second, take another example. अगर आपको क्रिकेट पसंद है एंड आपको फ्रेंड को भी क्रिकेट पसंद है, दोनों की फ्रेंडशिप अच्छी होती है, साथ में आप क्रिकेट मैच भी देखते हो, क्रिकेट खेलते भी हो, सेम थिंग. So similar interest like they can share the electron, carbon and hydrogen can also share the electron. So take one example like carbon. You already know that carbon atomic number is 6 and electronic configuration 2 and 4. So valency carbon is tetravalent 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, hydrogen also require one electron. So C, H, H, H and H. So there is sharing of electron between carbon and hydrogen. Hydrogen atomic number is 1. So hydrogen also want to complete their first cell, that is they require 2 electron. So they can share with this one carbon and hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen, carbon and hydrogen. So this is known as sharing of electron, means covalent bond. So how can we define hydrocarbon? So hydrocarbon is a type of organic compound which contain only two elements. First one is carbon, second one is hydrogen. Second, why they are called hydrocarbon? Because you can see the interest, carbon can share the electron and hydrogen can also share the electron. So they having a similar interest. And second, if you go for higher standard, you can understand they having the similar electronegativity. So electronegativity part means they can pull the electron toward itself. So this part we will learn in 11th and 12th. But in this standard you can understand they can share the electron, and that type of bond is known as covalent bond. So they can share single electron, carbon and hydrogen, and also we can say that it is single covalent bond. So student, hydrocarbon. So hydrocarbon again classify. We can take some other example also like some hydrocarbon compound, organic compound, like you can see example CH4, carbon and hydrogen. This is called methane. So methane is the simplest hydrocarbon. Then ethane C2H6. So in this example you can just see they contain only two elements, carbon, hydrogen, carbon and hydrogen. Third, C3H8, propane. Then C2H4, ethene. So all these are example of hydrocarbon. So student, in this part also we have to study how the hydrocarbon are classified. So in 10th standard we have to understand that hydrocarbon basically classify into two important parts. First one is very simple, that is also called saturated hydrocarbon, and second one is called unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated. Saturated hydrocarbon. So what is saturated hydrocarbon? You know that hydrocarbon which contain carbon and hydrogen only, and saturated hydrocarbon contain carbon-carbon single bond only. Carbon-carbon single bond. Why they contain single bond? This part we will study in detail form, and also I will give the example इसमें single bond ही क्यों होता है. Saturated again they are classified into alkane. And student, alkane having the general formula CnH2n plus 2, where C is carbon, N is number, H is hydrogen, N is number, and plus 2, and which contain carbon-carbon single bond. Unsaturated are again classified in two parts. First one is alkene, and second is alkyne. Student, you can see the prefix, the last word, that is alkane contain ane, alkene contain ene, where alkyne y and e. Alkane having the general formula CnH2n plus 2, alkene CnH2n, and alkyne CnH2n minus 2. Alkane contain carbon-carbon single bond, alkene contain double bond, and alkyne triple bond. Suppose if anyone asks what is the difference between their general formula CnH2n plus 2, so you can observe one thing, that simplest thing, that alkane having CnH2n plus 2, अगर मैं इसमें से 2 माइनस करता हूँ, minus 2, so plus 2 minus 2 get cancel, and you will get the formula for alkene, it is CnH2n. You can see in here also CnH2n. Again in alkene, that is CnH2n minus 2, you will get the formula for alkyne. So plus 2, then minus 2, and minus 2. So alkane contain carbon-carbon single bond, alkene double bond, and alkyne triple bond. So why alkane contains single bond, alkene double bond, and alkyne triple bond, we will study in detail form, and we can see the some example also depending upon the general formula of alkane. So if you want to take in screenshot, you can take, then we proceed later. Okay. So student, the first part you can see saturated hydrocarbon which contain carbon-carbon single bond, and it is already saturated, means they are very less reactive, they are not going for addition reaction. Why? Because saturated. Suppose, what is the meaning of saturated? Take one example of real life. सपोज आप एक ही सब्जेक्ट कंटिन्यूस 4 आवर्स स्टडी कर रहे हो, सो हम लोग बोलते हैं ना नॉर्मल लाइफ मैं सेचुरेटेड हो गया हूँ, मीन्स ऑलरेडी यू आर फील्ड, जो भी आपको कंटेंट सिखाया गया ऑलरेडी आपके माइंड में फील हो चुका है, अब आप कुछ भी आप क्या गेन नहीं कर सकते. तो सिमिलरली इन सेचुरेटेड पार्ट ऑल्सो, व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड सेचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन इन अल्केन. अल्केन हैविंग जनरल फॉर्मूला CnH2n plus 2. C is for carbon, N is number, 2 means 2. So you can put number start from 1, so N equal to 1. So put in place of N 1, H2 into 1 plus 2. So we can write C1 is a C only, 2 into 1, 2 plus 2. So that formula is CH4. So now you can see the formula for methane. So this is called methane. So it is a part of alkane. So last word you can see alkane having ANE. Similarly methane also having the ANE, methane, simplest hydrocarbon. Second, you can take example N equal to 2. So we will find N equal to 2. Put in place of N2, you will get C2H2 into 2 plus 2. So C2, 2 2 is 4 plus 2, C2H6. So student, one thing is very simple कि आप बार बार फॉर्मूला में पुट करो, so you will find the answer, but it will take time. So एक सिंपल सा मेथड क्या है, now you can see the formula n and 2n. n का डबल क्या करना है आपको, 2n and then plus 2. So take one example like n equal to 3, c in place of n 3, now h. So n 2n, so n का डबल that is 2n, so 3 double 6 and 6 plus 2 8. So directly you will get answer C3H8 and 2n. So 3 का डबल क्या होता है, 6 plus 2, answer is 8. So C3H8, that is called propane, and C2H6 is called ethane. So we will find the last suffix word is ANE, ANE and ANE. Now next question is, and now also you can put n equal to 4, 5 and 6. To take one example also, n equal to 4, so we will get C4, again the same method, C4, 4 double, that is 8, 8 plus 2, 10, C4H10, that is butane. So in LPG cylinder also at your home, इसमें कौन सा गैस बेसिकली होता है, they contain only the butane, liquefied petroleum gas, butane. Then n equal to 5, you can put n equal to 5, same, C5, 5 double 10, 10 plus 2, 12, C5H12. So pentagonal shape, in mathematics we can say pentagonal, means penta means 5, so pentane. So last word you can see the pentane, that is ANE only, and last you can see in your syllabus given n equal to 6. Hexagonal, hexa means 6, so you will get C6H14, 6 double 12 plus 2, 14, that is called hexane, hexagonal shape. Then 7 heptane, octane, neoane and decane. So we learn all these things 11th standard, but basically in your syllabus it is given till hexane. So one carbon is called methane, 2 is called ethane, 3 propane, 4 butane, penta means 5 pentane, and hexa means 6 means hexane. So student, one question is that why it is called saturated, why alkane contain carbon-carbon single bond. So we can prove that this thing by using the simple structure formula. So if you want to take a screenshot, you can take, then we go for the structure of alkane. Okay, so student, you can see the first hydrocarbon is methane, CH4, that is methane. So how can we draw the structure? So always first step is you have to take carbon. First step, carbon, step number 1. First step, you have to take carbon. Then valency of carbon is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Valency of carbon is 4. Then how many hydrogen? 4 hydrogen. And we know that hydrogen also require 1 electron to complete their duplicate first cell. That is hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen and hydrogen. So now you can see the single sharing of electron between carbon and hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen and carbon and hydrogen. So that's why it is called single covalent bond. And always remember that saturated hydrocarbon contain carbon-carbon single bond. So now you can see the single bond. Second example you can see also like ethane. So ethane having the general formula C2H6. So how can we draw the structure for ethane also? We can proceed the same thing, ethane. So ethane having the formula, molecular formula for ethane is C2H6. Already derived the formula C2H6. So what is the first step? Again we have to take first one is carbon. So how many carbon? 2 carbon. So first step carbon. Now second step, student always have to remember, first step you have to take carbon, second step in between carbon and carbon you have to give the single bond. So single bond, and we know that valency of carbon is 4. So give the bonding part 1, 2, 3 and 4. Similarly for this carbon also 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next step, how many hydrogen? 6. So we can share the hydrogen also between two carbon, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So you can see carbon carbon single bond only. So that's why alkane contain carbon carbon single bond and is less reactive because addition reaction cannot possible in this saturated hydrocarbon alkane. So carbon carbon single bond, and also you can draw the condensed form also. You can write C and how many hydrogen? 3 hydrogen. So CS3 single bond again CS3. So this is structure for ethane. Similarly, you can draw for propane also. Propane. So student, propane having the molecular formula that is C3H8. Already we derived that. Now again, how can we draw this structure? Again the same method. You have to just see how many carbon. Total 3 carbon. So first step 1, 2, 3. Now we have to give the single bond between the carbon. So 1 and 2 single. Now valency of carbon is 4. So we give the bond 1, 2, 3 and 4. Similarly 1, 2, 3, 4. For last carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see carbon carbon having the single bond only. Next part for hydrogen. So how many hydrogen? 8. So first, second, third. 3, first, second. So 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. And simple one method you have to remember. हमेशा first और last को 3 देना है, middle वाले को 2 देना है, because middle are getting the bonding from this side also and this side also. So 1, 2, 3, 4. First 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So by seeing this example, you can understand that in alkane part carbon carbon single bond. So already मैंने आपको prove करके बताया alkane having the single bond. You can try for butane and pentane also at your home. And next part we have to draw. In examination they will ask student for 1 mark, draw the electron and dot structure for methane or ethane. For that part we have to just see the how can we draw the structure for electron dot structure for methane and ethane. Take one example, like first one is methane. Electron dot structure. So what is electron dot structure? It is very simple. Electron dot structure. It is also called electron and cross and dot formula also, cross and dot formula. So first one is methane, that is CH4, methane. Just see the how many carbon again, only 1 carbon. So first take carbon, 1 carbon, and carbon having the valency is 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 electron in their outermost shell. Again, how many hydrogen? 4 hydrogen. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we can give the electron of hydrogen by using the cross. Also vice versa, it's your choice. अगर आपको एक cross लेना तो cross ले सकते हो, हाइड्रोजन का आप डॉट भी ले सकते हो. So cross, cross and cross. So single sharing of electron, that is a methane, but also we have to write dot is the electron of carbon and cross electron of hydrogen. Electron of hydrogen. Cross and dot formula. Also you can draw for ethane also, same way, ethane. C2H6, that is ethane. How many carbon? So student 2 carbon, so 1 and 2, and we know that valency of carbon is 4, so we can give the electron 1, 2, 3 and 4. Similarly for this carbon also 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that is electron of carbon. Next part for hydrogen also, how many hydrogen? 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Same way we have to draw. Now next step, we have to give the electron of hydrogen. So by using the cross, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this way you can draw the structure of ethane cross and dot formula. Same thing you have to write electron of carbon and electron of hydrogen. This type of question will come for 1 mark. Simply you can draw the structure. First step, you have to take carbon, then their electron by using the dot 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have to see how many hydrogen, total 4 hydrogen. So 1, 2, 3, 4 by using the cross. And you have to write electron of carbon and electron of hydrogen. So that is a part of saturated hydrocarbon, it is alkene. Next part is unsaturated, and unsaturated already I told you that unsaturated contain carbon-carbon double bond, that is a part of alkene, and carbon-carbon triple bond, that is part of alkyne. So student, unsaturated hydrocarbon, in which the first one is alkene. So you can see the suffix word, the last word is ene, that is alkene only, ene, and alkene having the general formula that is CnH2n. So many of the student having the doubt कि ये जो alkene है ये 1 से start क्यों नहीं होता है. We have to start from number n equal to 2. So we have to just see the reason. Suppose if we put n equal to 1, so we will get C in place of n1 H2 into 1. So we will get your answer CH2. But just see the structure. How many carbon? 1 carbon. And we know that valency of carbon is 4. So just see the valency 1, 2, 3 and 4. But student, there is no other carbon for sharing the electron, and they contain only 2 hydrogens. So 1 and 2. But what about this 2 place? So this thing is not possible for alkene. We can start from 2 because इसका valency complete नहीं हो रहा है. Because they contain only 1 carbon, इससे share भी नहीं कर सकता other part, and they contain only 2 hydrogen. So 2 vacant place. So that's why this structure is not possible in alkene, n equal to 1. So we have to start n equal to 2. So n equal to 2. Formula is CnH2n. So in place of n, we have to put 2, C2H2 into 2, C2H4. So 2 carbon in alkane is called ethane. Suffix word is ane, but alkene having the last one is that is ene. So that's why it is called ethene. Last one is ene. Similarly for propane also, n equal to 3. Simply you can just see the one example and one thing that n and 2n. n का double क्या है यहाँ पे 2n है. So suppose if you take C3, 3 का double that is 6, C3H6. That is called, in alkane part it is called propane if 3 carbon, but it is a part of alkene, so that's why it is called propene. Similarly you can put n equal to 4, CnH2n means CnH2n, so n and 2n, so C4, 2 4 जा 8, 4 का डबल क्या होता है 8, that is C4H8. 4 carbon is called butane in alkane and it is butene alkene, it is called butane. Similarly n equal to 5, you will get answer C5H10. So student, it is very simple, just to apply the formula and you will get your answer. It is C5H10, that is called pentane. 5 carbon is called pentane, but it is a part of alkene. The last suffix word is ene, so that's why it is called pentane. So student, always have to remember alkane having the single bond, alkene having the double bond, and alkyne is triple bond. So now you can see some example like 2 carbon is called ethene, 3 carbon is called propene, 4 is called butene, and 5 called pentene. Hexagonal, hexene, heptene, octene. So this way we can draw the structure of alkene also. So just see the one example of alkene, that is ethene. So student, ethene having the molecular formula that is C2H4. But first step, and you have to remember how can we draw the structure for ethene, and you already know that alkene contain carbon-carbon double bond. But how can we prove that alkene require only double bond? So just see one example, that is ethene. Ethene having the carbon-carbon double bond. Formula is, molecular formula for ethene is already we derived, that is C2H4. But if they ask how can you draw the structure of ethene, so again have to follow the same method. First step, you have to just see the number of carbon. So how many carbon, student? There are 2 carbon. So first step, we have to take carbon. So there are 2 carbon. And how many hydrogen? There are 4 hydrogen. So we can share the hydrogen 1, 2, 1 and 2. And we have to give the single bond between carbon and carbon like alkane. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But you can just observe in this part, they contain carbon-carbon single bond. But what happens if you give the single bond? We know that carbon is tetravalent, tetravalency, they require 4 electrons to complete their octet. So 1, 2, 3, again 1, 2, 3. So we can, if we give double bond, carbon-carbon double bond, now you can see the valency now, 1, 2 and 2 plus 2, 4, 2, 3, 4. So that's why we can prove that alkene having carbon-carbon double bond. Carbon-carbon double bond, that is part of alkene. So that's why it is called ethene. Similarly, you can draw for propene also. Propene. The suffix word is ene, and molecular formula for propene, that is C3H6. So what is the first step, student? Yes, correct. Your answer is correct. We have to first take number of carbons. So how many carbons, student? There are 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3. Now we have to give the single bond first. 1, 2. Now how many hydrogen? Total 6 hydrogen. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. So 3. So H, H, H. Same for second carbon. H, last one. 2. Now student, we know that valency of carbon is 4. Just count the number of bond. Carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. So first carbon having the 4 electron, no problem. Second 1, 2, 3 only. And last 1, 2, 3. So if we take here double bond, carbon-carbon double bond. So now you can just observe again valency 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So valency of carbon is completed. So that's why alkene having carbon-carbon double bond like ethene and propene. You can draw also for butene and pentene at your home. And it is very simple. First we have to take carbon, next bonding between carbon and carbon, single bond, and then you have to give hydrogen. So by using this method, you can draw the structure of butene and pentene also. So that is part of alkene, and we can prove that alkene having carbon-carbon double bond. So that's why it is unsaturated. That's they having that carbon-carbon double bond. That's why unsaturated hydrocarbon going for the addition reaction, because इसमें add हो सकते हैं hydrogen. Next one is after alkene, student. Next part is second unsaturated hydrocarbon is alkyne. So we have to just see the alkyne part also. And student, already you know that alkyne having the molecular formula, that is CnH2n and minus 2. CnH2n minus 2. And alkyne contain carbon-carbon triple bond. So how can we prove that alkyne part? So alkyne, the last suffix word is YNE. And alkyne having the general formula, that is CnH2n minus 2. So start with, again n equal to 1 is not possible. Already मैंने आपको बताया alkene में possible नहीं तो alkyne में नहीं हो सकता. अगर if you want to see, just check n equal to 1. You will get C in place of N1, H2 in place of N1 minus 2. CH2 minus 2. So we will get only C, and valency of carbon will not completed. That's why we cannot start in alkyne part n equal to 1. We have to start, that is n equal to Same method. How many carbon? N equal to 2, so C2H2 in place of N2 and minus 2. C2, 2 is a 4 minus 2. So answer is C2H2. So C2H2 in alkane it is called ethane because last word is ane. Alkyne the suffix word is ayne. So that's why it is called ethyne. And common name of ethyne is acetylene. If you want to remember, common name of ethyne is acetylene. Similarly, you can draw for also n equal to 3. So we'll get answer same method C3H and 2n. N equal to that is 2n, C3 double that is 6 and 6 minus 2 is 4. C3H4. In alkane we have to add plus 2 and alkyne में क्या करना है सिर्फ माइनस करना है तो 3 का डबल क्या होता है स्टूडेंट 6 minus 2 that is 4 and 3 carbon is called propane and last word is here is YNE, that's why it is called propyne. Similarly N equal to 4 you will get C4H. 4 का डबल क्या होता है 8 minus 2 is 6 C4H6 and that is called butane and alkene part and in alkyne it is called butane. So this way you can draw the structure of you can derive the formula for alkyne also like ethyne, propyne and butane. But student, you know that alkyne contain carbon-carbon triple bond. So how can you prove that alkyne having the triple bond only? ये कैसे प्रूव करेंगे जैसे मैंने आपको बताया अल्केन में सिंगल बॉन्ड होता है मैंने प्रूव करके बताया अल्कीन में भी हम लोगों ने प्रूव किया एंड लास्ट पार्ट वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट व्हाई अल्काइन कंटेन कार्बन कार्बन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड तो देखते हैं इस पार्ट को भी So alkyne the first one is ethyne and having the formula that is molecular formula is C2H2. Yes, correct. So again the first step we have to follow. Just see the number of carbon. Number of carbon is 2, 1 and 2 and we have to give the single bond between carbon and carbon and how many hydrogen? There are 2 hydrogen. So we can give 1 and 2. So how many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen. So 1 and 2. But student valency of carbon is 4. Just count the number 1, 2. Only 2, 1, 2. So this type of problem we can solve by giving the double bond. Now you can say double bond also. Again 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. So again it is not possible. Again we have to give again one bond. So now number of bond is 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. So that's why you can see in this example also carbon-carbon triple bond. And remember that this type of structure they will ask for draw for ethyne or acetylene for 1 mark. And it is very simple. First step you have to take carbon, then single bond between carbon and carbon, and just see the number of hydrogen, 2 hydrogen only. So equal sharing. So 1 hydrogen इसको देना है आपको, फिर इसको देना है, and just count 1, 2 only. So 3 and 4. So that's why total 3 bond between carbon and carbon. So we can prove that alkyne contain carbon-carbon triple bond. If you want to take another example of we can draw for propyne also. Propyne. Yes. So molecular formula for propyne is C3H4. So how can we draw the structure for propyne also? So we know that propyne contain 3 carbon. So first step 1, 2 and 3. 3 carbon. Now next step we have to give the bond between carbon and carbon. So 1 and 2. Now how many hydrogen student? Total 4. So देते हैं इसको 1, 2, 3. 3. So H, H, H. 3 and last पे 1 देते हैं. So always remember first को already आपको total saturated बनाना है. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. But what about second and third carbon? So just see second carbon contain only 1 and 2 bond and last one also 1 and 2, like this one. So this type of problem you can solve by giving the double bond. So now you can see 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 1, 3. But carbon having valency is 4, so we can give the triple bond. Also you can same way, अगर आपको इधर नहीं लेना है triple bond, इधर लेना, तो you can draw in this part also. So carbon carbon triple bond is called propyne. So it's a simpler structure of propyne. So this way, student, we can understand that why alkyne having the carbon carbon triple bond. So again I am revising the what is hydrocarbon. So student, hydrocarbon is organic compound which is made up of only two type of element. One is carbon and second one is hydrogen. Again hydrocarbon are classified into two part. First one is saturated, second one is unsaturated. Saturated again classify into alkane which contain carbon carbon single bond. It is saturated, that's why they are not going for addition reaction. And the general formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Alkene contain double bond, carbon carbon double bond, and alkyne triple bond. And CnH2n, that is alkene, and CnH2n minus 2 is alkyne. So similarly, next part of this lesson is remember some cyclic structure of hydrocarbon. So in cyclic structure, single and double bond both thing is possible in cyclic structure. And it is also very interesting, and we have to count number of hydrogen in cyclic part. So ring structure of cyclohexane. So we have to see the next part is ring structure of cyclohexane. It is hexane, it is a part of alkane only, student. Hexane, the suffix one is ane. Hexane means they contain 6 carbon. But it is cyclo, means ring-like structure. So we know that hexane having the 6 carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So number of carbon, that is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 carbon. And what is the valency of carbon? 4. So hydrogen भी देके count करते हैं. It is H and H. 1, 2, 3, 4. CH2, 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 and last one is CH2. So valency already completed. मैंने पहला वाला इसलिए बनाया कि आप काउंट कर सकते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly 1, 2 and 2 plus 2, 4. 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. 1, 2 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So now you can see in cyclic part, number of hydrogen is reduced because we know that hexane having the formula is C6H14. But what about cyclohexane? Number of carbon is same, that is 6 only. But what about hydrogen? Total 6 2 ja 12. So C6H12. So that is a molecular formula for cyclohexane. So we can say that carbon percentage. So aliphatic like saturated alkane contain less number of carbon percentage compared with cyclohexane because number of hydrogen is less as compared with hexane part. So cyclohexane having the formula is C6H12. Similarly, you can draw for cyclopentane also. Take one example like cyclobutane. Ring structure butane, cyclobutane. So we know that butane having the formula is C4H10. So how many carbon? 4 carbon only. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 carbon. Now bonding we can give CH2, CH2, CH2 and last also CH2. So valence of carbon is completed. 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. 1 2 2 plus 2 4. Similarly last one 2 plus 1 3 3 plus 1 4. So that is structure of cyclobutane. So again you can see the number of molecular formula of carbon is same constant, that is 4 only. But what about hydrogen? 2 4s are 8. C4H8. So again that is a cyclobutane. So you can also draw this structure like cyclohexane, cyclobutane, then cyclohexene also, which contain carbon carbon double bond. So student, in this way you can draw the structure of saturated, unsaturated, then cyclic part, ring-like structure, and next part we have to see the types of bonding and how can we draw the structure formula, then what is isomerism, then what is homologous series, then functional group. So that is very interesting part of this lesson is remaining. So in next class we will study all this thing in next class, but remember it is a basic part only. So आज का वीडियो आप अच्छे से देखो and next part we will proceed for the next session. Okay, so thank you so much student.